King Bruce and Spider. Once upon a time, there was a great king named Bruce who ruled over a prosperous kingdom. Despite his many successes, King Bruce had one weakness: he was easily discouraged. Whenever he faced a problem, he would become sad and lose hope. One day, King Bruce found himself faced with a difficult problem. His enemies had surrounded his kingdom and were threatening to invade. He called upon his army and did everything in his power to defend his kingdom, but it was no use. The enemy was too powerful. Feeling defeated, King Bruce retreated to his castle and shut himself away from the world. He refused to see anyone, not even his closest advisors. His people were worried and wondered what had happened to their once great king. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more lovely, amazing and exciting stories. One day, a small spider entered King Bruce's chamber. It was struggling to climb up the wall, and every time it fell down, it tried again. King Bruce watched the spider's efforts with fascination. He wondered how the spider could keep trying despite failing over and over again. The spider continued to try, and finally, it succeeded in climbing up the wall. King Bruce realized that the spider had taught him an important lesson: the importance of persistence and perseverance. He called his army back and led them into battle with renewed hope and confidence. This time, King Bruce was able to defeat his enemies and save his kingdom. He knew that it was all thanks to the small spider who had taught him that even the smallest creatures can have a big impact. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more lovely, amazing and exciting stories. From that day on, King Bruce became known for his determination and perseverance. He would never forget the lesson he had learned from the spider, and he made sure to apply it to all areas of his life. He became a better ruler, a better leader, and a better person because of it. The people of the kingdom were overjoyed to see their king back to his old self. They knew that their kingdom was safe in the hands of such a wise and determined leader. And as for the spider, it continued to spin its web in the corner of King Bruce's chamber, reminding him of the valuable lesson it had taught him. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more lovely, amazing and exciting stories. Moral of the story of King Bruce and the spider teaches us the importance of persistence and perseverance. No matter how difficult a situation may seem, we should never give up. Even the smallest efforts can lead to big results.